The next tool is magnetic lasso tool, but you can see that is L for magnetic lasso tool. But this tool, as per me, this tool is not that much useful. I am zooming here. What you can do, just click. Then you see, I moved the hand here. Then that is not. It should not be like this. You can only move the edges. What is advantage? Where is the contrast edges? Now I am pressing space. So then I can drag it here. So you need to move edges of the object. You can click also. So you click and move also. So that is also you can do. So precisely I am moving to the edges. See, I automatically my hand is come down. Here I click and again I am clicking here. Now I am coming here to this area. What it is happening automatically, it is creating the anchor points. Anchor points means these dots are anchor points. Okay, I'm releasing here. I can click also, that automatically it will be clicked also. Once it is selection is done, then okay. Now there is a mistake here, it's already come here. So what we can do these cases may already it's a selection is completely done. So you think that there is a way you can also add, you can take lasso tool, select shift, then just add it on this. Again little increase, press alt, lasso tool mein you can subtract it. Now if you want to increase little bit, you know that here it is some problem. When if I am going to cut here, so I am going to uh, feather, I am giving feather around 2, then I am cutting. It's perfect, almost perfect, but still if you want to some more area, then feather will be more. Then select, then modify, then expand. So how many pixel I need to expand? 2. Then see, 2 pixel is expanded. Then we are doing the feather. Feather we are doing 4 pixel. Okay, then I am cutting. So it is done. You are going to paste some uh, flat area. We can see where it is. Which one you can paste and check. This beach we can paste and check. See, this is perfectly merged with the background. So now you clearly understood how magnetic lasso tool is working, but I'm not that much good for magnetic lasso. Same thing, we can do with other tool. I'll tell you. See, here is a one tool is called for a magic one. I can do single click, then one more shift, and I'm clicking again. So now almost it is selected. Then select inverse. So now it is selected the outer area, then it is select inverse. So there is a problem here. Here also you can see that it increases the selection. So what to do for that? See, when magic wand tolerance means how much area you need to. I am tolerance, I am reducing to 20. So then similar pixels will be reduced to select. So now control Z, control minus minus. I'm clicking again and shift and select again, shift and click again. Again, I am going to click here, and clicking here. Now you can select inverse. So now you can feathering you can do. Four, again I am cut. You should not take more than 4, and I am pasting the same image here. See, there is no difference in this one. I'm checking one more these details. I'm looking. one detail. Okay, not now, it is not available, that feature. Okay. Okay. So now you can easily perfectly you can cut it. So I use two tools how you can use magic wand. Here also you can use magic wand at the same time you can use it as magnetic lasso tool. So now I am going to use magic wand. See here you can again tolerance you can increase it 20. Then click again. Then click, select, select. Again, this almost selection is perfect, but bottom part perfection is not there. So what you need to do? You need to come here. You need to select lasso tool, this tool, and this is freehand tool, and we can do that. Oh my God! Press Shift. You just now you can control minus minus. You can see that you are selected, but you are selected on outer color. So again, select inverse. Now you can what you can do select expand means we needed some area we need to do that, so expand, then put it as 2, it's okay. Then feathering we can do 4. Now you look at the image. I think all the areas perfectly selected, little bit, then cut. See, now you paste it on the beach same, but it's not perfect. You can see some edge color is there. Come back to here, Control Z. Again, what you need to do again, select instead of expand, we can contract. Instead of 2, we can put it. Okay, now we can again, you can go back. So now I perfectly selected what are things I done. Okay, so feathering I reduced. We can again, you can reduce to 1. Also, I am reducing 2. Then I am going to cut this. Now it is cut little bit inside. Then I am going to paste it on a beach again. So now this is perfect, but little bit issues there, but we can ignore that. If these issues we cannot perfectly, we cannot remove that. We can use our any of the eraser tools. We can slightly you can move. Otherwise, you can blur it later. Light. We cannot do much on that this area because it's very close to that. Okay, so I think you perfectly you understood that how you need to work with uh, cutting magnetic tool and magnetic magic wand tool also. So I will upload these images also. Please practice it. Oh, thank you for watching this demo. I will go to the next session.